Hi, my name is Hanadi and I'm part of the quality assurance team. I'm in my 4th year with Starlim. My role involves inspecting and measuring daily samples to make sure they meet customer satisfaction. If not, we report that to technicians and we inform them about any defect. We also check if the material used on the machines is up to date. We use the material inspections and material certificates, and we include them in the shipping documentation and we send it to customer, as well as documenting any material change that happens during the production process. We also document any scrap generated during the production process. I enjoy the most about my position is the responsibility and decision-making part of it. Knowing that I play a big role in ensuring the quality of the products and contributing in the customer satisfaction is really rewarding. Skills that really helped me in this role is attention to details and time management. It's really important to ensure the accuracy of the documentation and measurements, as well as communication. Effective communication is really helpful in making the workflow smoother.